Hello to everyone, it's Fabien the Frenchie. Hope you are well. Today I will show you some of my last purchase. The card, it's all about some vintage card, and all these cards come from Europe. There is about football, a little bit baseball, and a little bit basketball. Let's go. First, it's some Topps 81. It's about the Chief. Okay, I will just let you read the leader. Okay, that is a Carlos Carson. Must to be a auto. I don't know anything about this player, but sweet. Nick Lowery, very great player. Henry Marshall, Horace Belton, Ted McKnight, Art Steele. It's a top 81. G.T. Smith, he must to be good, I think so. Arnold Morgado, Eric Harris, Gary Barbaro, Steve Fuller. Okay, move on. Next, that's it. Some tops 85, I think so. There is an auto of Max Montoya. I think he was a All-Star player or Pro Bowl player. That's right. That is auto. Sweet. Ken Anderson, great player. Reggie Williams. Anthony Munoz, the great Munoz. Pete Johnson. Chris Collinsworth. He's a broadcaster, we can say not famous, but broadcaster. Charles Alexander, Chris Collinsworth, Ray Horton, Jim Bridge, Ken Anderson, love this card, Steve Crider, Isaac Curtis, and Eddie Edward. Move on. Now it's about basketball. That it's funny. It's a rookie card of Horace Grant. I was a big fan of this player and was a little disappointed when he moved to Orlando. Even if I like a lot the Magic. Move on. That it's some NBA card. That it's about what is the year? Must to be 75. 74, 75, something like this. About the Knicks, Walt Frazier, very good. Bill Bradley, Dave Buchier, and Walt Frazier. I don't know if Bill Bradley was not a politic after, I don't know, maybe I confused with another. About the Kings of Kansas City Omar, that is great. The Chicago Bulls, Bob Love, Chet Walker, Norm Van Lier, Clifford Ray. I know anything about this player. That it's about the Lakers. No, sorry, my bad. No, it's not. It's Denver Nuggets. Ralph Simpson, Byron Beck, Hal Smith, Dave Robich. I don't know anything too. That is about baseball. It's a Fleer 60. Love this card. Love this set, and that it's Christy Mathewson, famous legendary player. That is a Philadelphia card. I don't know the year, maybe it's 64, 65. It's Tommy McDonald, very interesting card. He wore the Dallas Cowboy jersey. And I think in the start of the career, he played with the rivalry team. He played for the Philadelphia Eagles. Sonny Jorgensen, must to be tops 70. Love this card. Charlie Taylor, great. This card is another 70. Luis Aparicio, that is great. That is about a game, but I don't know the year, something like this. But Terry Bradshaw can pass on for a few bucks. All the cards was paid for a few bucks. That it's a Rick Barry. I like a lot this card. He wears the Warrior jersey and must to be NBA 73 374, something like this, around this. On the Tom Seaver, this card must to be a tops 73, I think so. Yes, that is nice. Tom Seaver, loves the looking of this card, that is great. Move on. That's it's Nolan Ryan and Steve Carlson duo. That's a great card about top 75. Very sweet card. Okay, move on. That's it's Roger Staubach. Tops must to be 79. Sorry, 79. Yeah, that. Like this card a lot. Okay. And about the same year. It's a very sweet card, a duo of Roger Staubach and Terry Bradshaw, two legendary players. That is great. Move on, that it's a Kellogg's card, very great card. Must to be a 3D. It's about Stremansky, so it's not easy to say his name. And the year, I don't know the year about the Kellogg's card. Maybe in the beginning of the 80s. Okay, that is a very sweet card. It's a Mark McGuire. Must to be, what is the year? Okay, 1985. Love this card. One of iconic card. Okay, move on. That is a great card. It's a tops 82, and there is two brothers, Archie and Ray Griffin. Must to be some football brothers. Sorry, my bad. I don't know. And there is a auto. I don't know if it's a real auto or no. And I don't know these guys, but sweet. Okay, move on. That's it's now about some 1955 Bowman. I love so much this set, and I am trying to build this set. Al Doro for the Redskins. Chuck Drazenovich for the Redskins too. Love the looking of this card. Again for the same team, for the Washington. Vic Janovics. That is sweet. And this card is Jenny Brito. Okay. That is the only card I purchased from USA. I will about this video, of course. I will show you that it's Bobby Dillon card with the Packers. I love the looking of this card. Maybe I overpay a little bit the card. I pay $30 for this card, but I don't know if it's the price of the market, or maybe I overpay. But the card looks to be in good shape, and I haven't got this card about to building my set, and love the looking of the card. And the last card about this video, it's a Kyle Roots. First time I heard about this player, but he was a New York Giants player, and this card must to be a tops 1956, I think so. The looking about this set is really amazing. I very pay few bucks for this card. Of course, it's not a legendary player, but I'm very happy to get this card too. Thank you for watching. All the best. Happy collecting. Bye bye.